gonna have your clips sized up, so just make sure they fit the composition. Yep. And then you're gonna wanna hit Command Shift C if you're a Mac user, or Control Shift C if you're a Windows user, and make sure Move All Attributes and Adjust Composition Duration is selected. Then you're gonna do the exact same thing for both clips. Then you're just gonna select both of your clips and click Motion Blur. Make sure this blue icon is on at the top. And then you're gonna wanna hit S on the first clip and move the keyframe to about here. So just about start middle of the clip, and then this is at 100, and then towards the end you want to keyframe at 300. So you want to make sure the keyframe is just in line with the new clip, so you should see the new clip when you put on that keyframe. You're gonna select them both, and you're gonna go to Graph Edit to select the line, hit Easy Ease, which is this icon over here, and then move the nodes so your graph looks something like this. Move that one down, and then move this one this way, and it should look something like this so far. And then you're gonna want to click the new clip, hit S, keyframe it at 300 at the beginning of the clip, then towards the middle or middle end of the clip you're gonna hit 100, select the keyframes again, go to Graph Editor, select the line, Easy Ease, move the nodes this way so your graph looks something like this. Just make sure that's a bit more straight. There you go. So now you have your basic zoom. Just a little bit smoother, you're going to want to select your first clip, click on Effects and Presets, and search Optics Compensation. So you're going to drag that into your first clip and just move your slider to wherever the first keyframe is and hit Field of View at 0, and then move it towards the end of the clip where the last keyframe is, and just hit round about, you kind of have to eyeball this, so just round about 60, 70-ish. So you're just going to move that keyframe to the end and just select the keyframe, go to Graph Editor, Easy Ease, and just change the graph to look something like this, which is a little bit of a looser graph than before, but it's just so you can see the effect better, so it should look something like this. And then for the second clip, you're going to drag the same effect on there, and then you're going to hit the reverse lens, and then Field of View, change this to diagonal also. It just tends to look better that way. Just change it to about 150. And then you're going to keyframe that, and then go towards the middle, keyframe at 100, oh not 100, 0, and then select the keyframes, go to Graph Editor, make another loose graph, so something like this. And your clip should look something like this, which is a little bit smoother than before. It's just an extra step if you want that.